Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Shopify Capital Review My Usage Experience. Shopify Capital Review My Usage Experience offers short-term loans specifically for Shopify store owners. It's designed to help business owners quickly access funding to expand their inventory, improve their marketing, or manage other business expenses. Key features seem to include a relatively straightforward application process and funding directly deposited into your account. Their website provides details on eligibility requirements and the loan repayment process. They emphasize a transparent pricing structure, though specific interest rates will vary depending on your individual business's performance and creditworthiness. There are no hidden fees advertised, and the application seems designed to be quick and easy. Availability is restricted to eligible Shopify merchants. You can check your eligibility directly through your Shopify admin panel. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Shopify Capital Review My Usage Experience. I needed a quick injection of capital to stock up on inventory for a seasonal promotion. The application process was surprisingly painless. It took me about 15 minutes to complete the online form, providing basic financial information from my Shopify dashboard. The interface was clean and easy to navigate. Within a day, I received an offer for a loan amount that seemed reasonable based on my sales history. The money was deposited into my business account within 24 hours of accepting the offer, which was incredibly fast. I was really impressed by how quickly I received the funds. I used the loan to purchase additional inventory, and the subsequent sales increase easily covered the repayment schedule. One minor drawback was the relatively short repayment window. It meant budgeting carefully. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the speed, simplicity, and transparency of Shopify Capital. It was a lifesaver for my seasonal push, and I'd recommend it to other Shopify store owners who need a quick and straightforward funding solution. That's my overview of Shopify Capital Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.